Welcome to the 73rd scientific meeting celebrating our theme, One Academy, Pursuing Justice Through Truth and Evidence. Hello, everyone. I'm excited to be with you. I'm Jeri Ropero-Miller, the 71st and this year's president of the American Academy of Forensic Sciences. I am a fellow of the toxicology section and an ABFT board certified forensic toxicologist. I'm coming your way from just north of Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina, USA, in our little country town of Creedmoor. I cannot believe the Academy wants me to prioritize the objectives of my term as the Academy President to the top 3 that will help us prepare for the future. But here it goes, short and sweet. Hands down, the first objective, once it was decided in the summer, was to plan and execute our first 100% virtual event with more than 1,200 presentations delivered the week of February 15th to the global attendees representing many countries beyond the United States. So if you're listening to this, you're participating, and thank you for your attendance. Second, I led the Academy to develop, for the first time ever, vision, mission, and value statements that relates directly to our identity, our membership, and our business. And lastly, to engage all efforts to advance research, education, and our standards of practice through scientific rigor, integrity, and evidence and consensus-based procedures, policies, and methodologies. President-elect Carl McCleary was by my side through thick and thin, answering the difficult but needed questions, providing logic and assistance at the ready. Carl is a remarkable leader and a dear friend. He will be a great president this coming year for the Academy. My greatest accomplishment during my term is not necessarily my own, but I do fondly and with some responsibility reflect back on the unification I have witnessed with the Academy members, staff, students, and leaders as we have endured what might be the most memorable yet compelling years that we came together to share forensic science and make our profession better. My presidential theme, One Academy, Pursuing Justice Through Truth and Evidence, was selected because it is at the grassroots of the Academy mission, and I believe all its membership. It is something we believe in and we pursue passionately with our work. We as scientists all seek justice through truth in evidence, in pursuing research, education, and training, in implementation of the promising and best practices that we follow, in the development and application of forensic standards, and in serving the membership, the public health and public safety communities, including the criminal justice system and all societies. The most meaningful experience of serving as the Academy's president this year has been the work we have done to improve ourselves and forensic science. Whether it was improving the way we do business by developing and implementing a strategic business plan for our future, or reviewing our policies and work to support diversity, inclusion, and social justice, or simply helping care for each other, uplifting one another in these trying times. We have experienced a truly incredibly busy year. We definitely have challenges, needs, and eminent initiatives for our sciences, but I know this: we are one Academy, unifying in our future.